When you're young, you don't think about how good things have a bad side. You spend your time waiting around for the fall, not the goodbye. Yeah. When you're naive and so green, it makes it hard to believe how life works when you're older. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know why. It's all out of our hands, nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. It gets easy to become blind to the good things when times are rough. But when there's nothing left to try to do, it's okay to throw your hands up. 'Cause there's no use in getting burned from the same lessons that you learned. So carry them with you and be wiser. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know why. It's all out of our hands, nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. No, life ain't a game. There's nothing to win and no way to cheat. We all walk through flames, all get burned from the heat. Yeah. Even the best of us get hurt sometimes. Could be from life or love, or I don't know why. It's all out of our hands, nobody will ever understand. Don't blame yourself and don't ask why. That's the art of getting by. That's the art of getting by. Yeah, yeah. I never used to know about love. Thought I did until I knew your heart didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart. Until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered, being loved by you's an honor. And if I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down, all my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ended tonight, better believe I'd be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best parts of me were made from loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. I never used to care about me. I always put the other half first. honest, you showed me that ain't fair. Now I see, that's why I always felt the hurt. If the world would end tonight,